Today's rapid fire question is, how many pre-approvals can I get at once? Hey, my name is Choe and I'm a broker owner located out of the DC metro area, licensed in 15 states. Thanks for joining so I can help you level you up. Now, today's question, it came from the Facebook groups, and I was kind of curious and puzzled why the borrower actually asked this question. But then I thought to myself, maybe they're not really sure how to ask this question. I think what they're really asking is how many quotes can they get at once? And so I wanted to answer this question because, you don't need to actually provide a full loan application to get a quote from a lender. You can just provide at least 6 points of information or just the information for them to run a scenario for you. And it should take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to run a scenario and then give you a live quote. Now, if you want more detailed information like the cost for the transaction or, estimated property taxes, depending on if you've already identified a property, then they can run those numbers and it's going to take a little bit longer. But for a pre-approval, you don't need to apply with multiple lenders to get pre-approved. You only need to get pre-approved once because your realtor is only going to be using one pre-approval letter when they're making an offer for you during your negotiation process. So just keep that in mind that you don't need multiple pre-approvals or to be pre-approved multiple times. You only need to be pre-approved once, and that's all it takes because all lenders, brokers, banks are going to be going off of the same rules when they're going to be underwriting your loan for a conventional loan, a VA loan, FHA loan, or a USDA loan. Now, if it's a non-conforming loan, then the investor is going to dictate the underwriting rules. So in that case, you're going to have to try to shop around and see if you can get pre-approved by one lender versus another. But the bread and butter, conventional, VA, USDA, FHA, it's all the same rules, so you only need to get pre-approved once. Now, hopefully, you're working with a good loan officer that knows how to pre-underwrite your files, meaning they understand all the guidelines based on the scenario that you're providing them, and that they're able to say, yes, based on the information and documents that you have provided to the loan officer, that they're able to give you the green light to say, hey, we're able to do this loan. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, I'm sure you were curious about what's the very first step that you need to take when you're going down the home buying process. I have a video here or here, I can't remember, but click on that video and then it's going to take you to the very first video. It's about, I think, 1.5 minutes long. So hope you enjoyed that. Please click like and subscribe below, and then I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Appreciate you.